loves, welcome back to another video. I have another product. It is fall. Well, in my mind it's fall. We still have 2-3 more weeks, so I'm preparing for fall, as you can see. And with fall, you know, we go out, we look at the leaves, you want to match those browns, those beautiful colors. At least I do. I love sunglasses. I collect a lot of them. As a matter of fact, you'll see my wall that I've created in my closet. But at any rate, let me not sidetrack. Are you ready for the product? Okay, here we go. Ding! So first of all, with the packaging, I think it's super cute. I love this kind of 70s retro looking, I guess you want to say art, case art. And I like that there is a case and it didn't come in a bag, because a lot of times sunglasses just come in like a little bag. But I think cases are better because you can reuse them. I mean, you can use the bag, but I don't know. I think cases, to me, I associate it with being more sturdy and protecting the glasses or sunglasses more. So you define your look with, what does that say? Firmoo. Firmoo eyeglasses. So when I open the case, we just talked about bags. We're opening this together, by the way. It comes with a bag. I like that teal blue. It comes with See the World Better in Sight, and it has the Firmoo information on here. It has the contact information. I actually like that it has a toll-free number and a live chat. So there's different ways to contact Firmoo if you have any issue. But let's get to the star of the day, or the star of the video, I should say, the glasses. Oh my gosh. Tell me these are not the most cutest glasses. When I saw these online, the first thought that came to mind, well, I might be showing my age here, which I typically do on my channel anyway, but Breakfast at Tiffany's, Holly Golightly, where she had the black dress and the big hat. Oh, these glasses. Tell me they do not look like her. Like, this is just beautiful. Like, I feel like I need to go to Breakfast at Tiffany's now with pearls and a dress and these sunglasses. But wait, it gets better. It's not just sunglasses. If you can see here, I don't know if the camera's picking it up. You see like there's a little line right there? Look at this. Are you ready? Tell me that is not cool. You can't tell me that's not cool. So in my job, I mean, technically I do wear glasses, but I don't want to go back to the eye doctor to refill my prescription, because the last time that they dilated my eyes, I couldn't see for a while. So what I use now are blue light blocking lens, which Firmoo obviously has. They also can do prescription lenses as well. So I like these because then when I'm at work inside the computer, I can use these as blue light blocking lens. And then when I go out, when I leave work, or when I'm just outside in general, you guys, tell me that's not amazing. Like, you're getting two for the price of one. I find that to be great. I really do. I really, really do. You can see here there's like a turtle. I think it's called Tortoise. It's like, you know, the little shell. You can see that in the glasses. You can see it in the frame, which gives it a very vintage and unique kind of look here. So I just wanted to share that as well. It's very thin and lightweight as well. It almost feels both. Like with this alone and this, it feels very lightweight, which I like. It's not heavy. You would think because it has two pieces that it would be really heavy, but it's not. So we're gonna go outside really quick and we're gonna test these against the light. It is a cloudy day, it's supposed to be raining, but I still think that these will work really nicely outside. You know, I like to test out these sunglasses, but well, even let's test them in here without the ring light really quick. Hold on. Just so you can see how they look. So nice. I'll put it really bright so you can see as well, and then I'll just put it back to where I had it before. But yeah, I really, really love these. I'll show you how it looks with the outfit. You can dress these up, dress these down. Honestly, these can go with anything. And then obviously you can wear them inside as well, which I am super excited about. Like, alright, you guys, this is me just styling it. I'm so ready for fall. I love how these glasses look. They match with my jacket. Okay. So this is me facing the sun the best I can, because the sun just went down. And then this is the sun behind me. So cool. Wait. So cool. Putting that one there, and then the eyeglass part right here. Perfect. I do have another pair, but they're in the car. Those fit there. Perfect. But yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, join the family. My goal is to get to 10K, and you guys are really helping me get there. I have other goals like that, but I'm just trying to do one at a time, and you guys are really helping me, and you're making me feel so loved, and I really appreciate that. So until my next video, besos.